Infinito, the producer on the beat.
I tried recording on my GoPro, keep saying the battery's dead, so I had to flip to the phone. But like I was saying, man, if y'all live in the Atlanta area and y'all need custom headlights done, for sure hit up EQ Sean. For like the Q50s, I don't know anybody else or heard of anybody else in the Atlanta area. Maybe I just don't know the right people, but I don't know anybody else in the Atlanta area that does, you know, custom headlights. Because most of the spots I was looking at to get my custom headlights done, I had to ship them out. Either to like Chicago, California, or through to Florida, which are reputable people, but I just don't like the process of shipping them out and waiting and getting them shipped. I like this better. I like working with people local. I think it's just a lot simpler. But yeah, man, I gotta be over there now. I got like 30 minutes to get there, but I'll show y'all when they get done. Yo, man, this thing came out sick. This video took longer than I expected. I ended up taking care of other stuff the rest of the day, man, but this is day 2. Man, he for sure did this thing on his headlights. Bro. I thought like they were brighter in the daytime, because like every time I see people like videos, but I don't know if that's because they lowered the exposure or I don't know, but they for sure are bright at night. Going to a car meet tonight, so for sure gonna show these off. They use the Blue Ghost module. I think that's what it's called, and like they give you an app too, so you can customize it, man. There's so many different customizations. Like I haven't even figured out what every single one is. I think there's a couple settings I need to still figure out, but for the most part, man, these are sick, man. So if y'all do live in the Atlanta area, for sure hit up EQ Sean. I'll put his Instagram in the bio. Does real good work. And as far as brightness at night, it's not different, because I don't know how to explain it. I don't know how to. You see this middle part? Oh, my bad. That middle part right there, that's your actual headlight. That gives off, that illuminates your white light so you can see. So that shines just as bright. The only thing is the eyebrows and the crest. The eyebrows and the crest, those are where the RGBs are. And that's what actually changes color. Now, as far as demon eyes, I didn't get demon eyes. I don't know if once you put demon eyes, if the brightness changes, because I think that's the bulb that they change out. The bulb that actually illuminates for your headlights, I believe that's where the demon eyes go. I don't know if it's like a switch or a chip that goes in the back to change colors or whatever, but I can't stand, I don't know how bright the demon eyes will be, but I have the, like the original, I don't know how to explain it, man, headlight, so it's not gonna really, the brightness is still the same. So at nighttime, chilling. And look at my tent, dude. Bro, it's mad dark. I cannot see nothing. But when you have tent like that, you get used to like the brightness, and you get more aware when it starts to get dark. So nonetheless, it's still the same brightness as my original headlights and the aftermarket headlights. So nothing to worry about there. If that's what I've been asked already, like by the people I've showed already, like how's the brightness at night? It's the same. You don't have to worry about it being a little darker. You'll be good. Now, I would switch the settings, man, but I'm using my phone, man. I left my GoPro died. And I'm not gonna lie, man, the camera on this phone is, I think it's a little better than the GoPro. But yeah, man, y'all tell me though. I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like something's missing, man. I don't know. I'm looking at the car. Y'all tell me what's missing. I don't know. I'm just staring at it. Something's missing to me. I don't know. I was thinking about getting some side skirts. That's what my homie told me. I think that's what it is. I probably need some side skirts to fill in that empty gap. Maybe a carbon hood. I for sure want to get a carbon hood. I've been thinking about a carbon hood for sure on my wish list. But tax season right now, that's about to hit. So we're probably gonna hold off on the hood for now. Yeah, man. If y'all do stay in the Atlanta area, for sure hit them up, man. Because that's one thing about, I probably said this in the video yesterday, but one thing about me is I do not like shipping my headlights out. Even if it's like a reputable reputable seller. Bro, so many things could happen, like, especially like with customs and, oh, you got to pay this more, or it didn't go through, or it's just unnecessary hassle. And I didn't want to deal with it. When I found out he was in Atlanta, man, I had to, man. I was like, yeah, bro, that's God sent for real. Bro, I can't stop looking at him. But yeah, man, I hope y'all rock with the new headlights. Y'all let me know. But if y'all did enjoy the video, if I did motivate you guys to go ahead and get you guys custom headlights, go ahead and like and subscribe, man. It helps me tremendously. We're at 600 followers, almost 1,000. I think I can for sure hit the goal in a couple of months. But yeah, man, I'll see you on the next video.